Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Xiaomi Smart Band 8. We can see this one is water resistance up to 5 ATM, workout analysis in professional level, also sleep monitor, on wrist running courses also available, crystal clear AMOLED display, up to 16 days battery life, easy detachable straps, 100 exercise modes. This one is really nice feature. So let's open this one. This one is the main device, and we got some brochures, and this one is charging port, meaning this one is charging cable. This one is gold version. The stripe looks premium. This charging magnet looks very strong magnet. And we also got detachable straps. It's very easy to change the straps. You see how easy to connect again. To power this device, I have to connect to charger, otherwise it will not turn on. You see, this device is powered on. Nice AMI logo. With 75% batteries. Select English. To connect the device, we have to scan this barcode. This one is very quick unboxing. I will try to record another video how to connect this MI band with your device. Thank you for watching, and stay connected for my next videos. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.